Here we are again. Had a little panic because I wet the camera stupidly. Lin. I'm doing that thing that blokes do when they think that they're a professional photographer just because they've got a video camera. It's really embarrassing, but we just can't resist for some reason. Okay, coming back round again. Where is she? Oh, there she is, my little bundle of loveliness. Oh, hooray! Swimming. Oh. Annie? Yes? Yes, hon? Okay. Oh, another big one. Huh?
I can take you also one, wearing my harness one.
Oh, I'm not sure about that. Han, but listen. Let's just have a look at the sunset first. Isn't it beautiful? What a beautiful view. Isn't it? Heaven be praised for our good fortune. Even the sky.
Wow.
Well, honey, can you dry your hands first? Shall I stop this one first? I'll stop.
No.